everyone. So we're going to talk about the June challenge, which is a 5-day Course Accelerator program that we're going to be opening up, or that's actually open right now. So I'm Janice here with the Biz Strategy Studio. We are all emerged inside of the email marketing, okay? And I want to talk to you about one step that we're going to take for June, and that is our 5-day Course Accelerator. This is the perfect starting point for any beginner who want to launch a digital course and build their email list, okay? So why building an email list matters. So you want to make certain that you tap in, because if you have difficulties reaching your audience directly, which is something that a lot of beginners have problems with, or you're relying on unpredictable social media algorithms, which all of us have fallen victim to, or you're missing out on sales and engagement opportunities, right? Because you do not have a list built of those individuals who already touched base with your particular brand, or you could be just feeling stuck and overwhelmed without a clear way to nurture leads, okay? Then this program is for you, because the foundation of it is for you to be able to build a sustainable online business, okay? So here are some other things that you may find that you are also struggling with, right? So you may not know where to begin with building an audience. So you're feeling overwhelmed by the amount of technology you have to kind of know, and the marketing jargon that is constantly being provided to you, and so that you're worrying that you need a big following to make a sale. And if you are worried about that, I want to tell you right now that that is not the case, okay? Also, if you're just struggling to get people to notice your course or offer, then you want to make sure that you stop wasting time on strategies that don't work, okay? We're going to get you up and running. We are going to talk about, in our 5-day Course Accelerator, a step-by-step beginner-friendly guide for no experience, okay? So you do not need any experience. We're going to have some actionable daily tasks. It's going to help you make real progress fast. You will get some templates and scripts to make building your list easy, okay? And then, of course, strategies to attract your first subscribers and students. And, you need subscribers, and then you can have students. And then, of course, we're going to have ability to support one another, and to have that accountability that is offered inside of this particular challenge, okay? So why do you want to join this challenge? Well, one, you are going to gain some clarity and confidence to launch your course. You want to absolutely start building a real email list from day one, and you can. You want to save time and avoid common mistakes, okay? We've already lived it. We've already done it. So we're going to give you a little bit of a head start. And then, of course, like with any mastermind, it helps you connect with like-minded beginners and get motivated. So also in this course, your Accelerator challenge, you're going to have some tips and resources that are only going to be made available to people who participate in this particular challenge, okay? So I really want to encourage you to join the challenge by clicking the link in the descriptions. And just remember, it's free, okay? And it's designed specifically for newbies, so it will not be overwhelming. It will be actionable steps, okay? And then this will finally get you moving, right? And get you a really good lead magnet that you feel good about, and that you know will provide and add value to your customers, okay? So definitely, if you haven't done so already, make sure that you like this video that we're looking at right now. Be sure to follow the channel, okay? So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and then go ahead and click on the notifications so that you're notified whenever we drop any new content, okay? And I want to hear from you, right? If you have been struggling to build your email list, and you believe that this is the perfect place for you to begin, go ahead and drop a "let's get started" into the chat, okay? So again, I want to just thank you so much for watching the video, for being a part of the community. If you haven't joined, please make sure that you subscribe. Again, don't forget about the 5-day Course Accelerator, and let this be your first step towards getting and obtaining your business goals, okay? So just so we all are on the same page, I'm just going to go ahead and just make sure that you remember, June, we're going to be kicking off the 5-day Course Accelerator. This is designed for those new individuals who are really looking to build their email list, but they may be finding it hard to find a actual lead magnet that is high converting. So this is for you, okay? Don't forget, read or click the link in the bio. It is basically a sign up form or application. We will get back to you. We will send you the information in regards to the training, when to get started, and where we're going to be hanging out. Again, you guys, thank you so much for joining me, and we will talk real soon. Bye.